Ready for dinner? All right, little buddy, don't you take my finger. I know, every time you try to bite my finger, it's the worst thing in the world. Look at those teeth. They're literally teeth. Yes, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, boop, boop. Have fun. You enjoy. Oh, Mrs. Puff wants in on the action too. You go get it. Look, you're sharing, Frank. I'm so proud of you. You're just adorable. Look at those eyes.
Hamlet, no! Hamlet! No, you do not bite. No. No. Are you done? No. No.
This is why you don't feed your cat. How done?
Those, you gotta be careful out here. Dad's been saying there's skunks around here. I don't want you to smell like a bag of... Stay right here. What is this thing? What's... Oh, Puddin'! You scared me, Pud. Where'd you get this outfit? We thought you were gonna spray us.
Nico, we have something to tell you. You're adopted! You are, baby, but it's okay. We love you no matter what. Do you love us too? Aww, we're so happy. So we're gonna surprise Maya with her baby brother. You wanna see what we got you? Do you wanna see it? Okay, get ready. We got you a baby brother. Come see your brother. What's wrong, Maya? What, he's not a husky? You wanted a husky?
Cooter, you need to take a bath. But I can smell your booty hole from the living room. At least you're cute.
Mommy's gotta get something from the back first, okay? Oh, sorry. No, this isn't what I wanted. Oh, I'm sorry. No. Oh, okay, sorry. One more thing. I think it might be in here. Oh. No. Oh, I'm sorry. 엄마!
That's it. You're no longer allowed to sleep on this bed because all you do is lay here 24 hours a day and don't do anything. I even bought you a ball and you don't even play with it.
Sit up. Cover. Spin. Sit. Wave. Down. Cover. Sit. What are you doing? That is not your bed. Get out of there. Oh my. No!
Whiskey. You know I can still see you, right? Whiskey. You're right here. I can see you. That's not a very good hiding place, honey. Whiskey.
What? Nice of you to join us. Welcome. You want to help?
Everybody has that one thing in their house that everybody thinks is so cool. Could be a hidden cabinet, little movie room, gadget, but ours is this.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sweet angel. Hello.
There are two types of dogs. The gentle one Good boy. And the not so gentle.